From snow-covered mountains to vast frozen deserts, Antarctica is an icy wonderland that covers over 98% of the continent. But what lies beneath this frozen surface? Scientists have long wondered what secrets the ice-covered regions of Antarctica hold, and now, thanks to a new initiative, we may finally find out. Welcome back, everyone. Here, we are eager to share with you the mysteries that surround our planet. From the deepest trenches to the highest peaks, we will explore it all. Today we are going to talk about a place so remote and inhospitable that it has remained largely unexplored until now. Join us as we uncover the secrets of Antarctica's ice-covered ecosystems and discover what wonders await us below the surface. Antarctica's unique environment poses significant challenges for exploration, but it also offers the potential for groundbreaking discoveries. The continent's ice sheet covers an area of around 14 million square kilometers, and reaches a thickness of up to 4,700 meters, making it the largest reservoir of fresh water on Earth. Despite its harsh conditions, Antarctica is home to a surprising diversity of plant and animal life, including algae, fungi, bacteria, fish, seals, and whales. The continent's isolation and extreme cold have preserved many ancient species and ecosystems, making it a valuable resource for studying evolution and climate change. The first step in unraveling the secrets of Antarctica's ice sheet is to understand its structure and composition. The ice sheet is not uniform and varies in thickness and elevation depending on the underlying bedrock. Using radar, scientists can map the thickness of the ice sheet and create models of the bedrock topography, which helps them understand how the ice sheet moves and evolves over time. One of the most important features of the Antarctic ice sheet is its drainage system, which consists of a network of rivers, lakes, and glaciers that carry water from the ice sheet to the ocean. These features play a crucial role in the global water cycle and climate regulation. Understanding how they form and evolve is essential for predicting how they might respond to changes in temperature and precipitation. To study these features, scientists use a variety of techniques, including satellite imagery, aerial photography, and ground-based measurements. They also use computer models to simulate the flow of water through the drainage system and predict how it might change in the future. Another important aspect of understanding the Antarctic ice sheet is studying the interaction between the ice and the ocean. The ocean plays a major role in shaping the ice sheet's coastline and can influence its stability. By studying the ocean currents, temperature, and salinity in the waters surrounding Antarctica, scientists can better understand how the ice sheet is affected by the ocean and how it, in turn, affects the ocean. One of the key challenges of this research is the difficulty of accessing the ocean beneath the ice sheet. However, recent technological advances have made it possible to deploy instruments such as moorings and autonomous vehicles to collect data in these remote areas. These studies have revealed a complex and dynamic environment with significant variations in temperature, salinity, and oxygen levels. By studying this environment, scientists can gain insights into the factors that control the stability of the ice sheet and the potential impacts of climate change. Despite these advancements, there are still many mysteries that remain. For example, scientists are still working to understand the full extent and impact of subglacial lakes and rivers. These bodies of water, which lie beneath the ice sheet, were once thought to be isolated from the rest of the world, but recent discoveries have shown that they are connected to the ocean through a network of tunnels. This finding has raised new questions about the origin and evolution of these lakes and their role in the Antarctic ecosystem. Moreover, scientists are also exploring the potential for life in these extreme environments. While Antarctica is not known for its biodiversity, there is evidence that some organisms, such as bacteria and fungi, are able to survive in the harsh conditions of the ice sheet. Studying these organisms could help us understand the limits of life on Earth and the potential for life on other planets. One of the most exciting discoveries made recently is the discovery of a previously unknown ecosystem beneath the ice shelf in Antarctica. This ecosystem was discovered by scientists from the British Antarctic Survey who drilled a hole through the ice shelf to collect samples. What they found was a thriving community of algae, bacteria, and other microorganisms living in the darkness and cold of the ice shelf. This discovery has raised many questions about how these organisms survive in such extreme conditions, and whether they could be used to study the potential for life on other planets. Another exciting development in the study of Antarctica's ice sheet is the use of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI has been used to analyze vast amounts of data collected from satellites and other sources to create detailed maps of the ice sheet and predict its behavior under different climate scenarios. Another advancement in our understanding of Antarctica's ice sheet comes from the analysis of ice cores. By drilling deep into the ice sheet and extracting cylindrical samples of ice, scientists can study the composition and properties of the ice. This can provide valuable information about past climates, including temperature, precipitation, and atmospheric gases. Recent studies of ice cores have revealed a wealth of information about the history of Antarctica and the Earth as a whole. For example, one study published in 2021 used an ice core from the Antarctic Peninsula to reconstruct past temperatures. The study found that the peninsula had experienced a warming trend over the past 2 centuries, which was consistent with global trends. However, the researchers also found evidence of natural variability in the climate record, which suggested that future warming could be even greater. Despite these advancements, there is still much that we don't know about Antarctica's ice sheet. One of the biggest challenges facing scientists is the sheer size and remoteness of the continent. Antarctica is extremely difficult to access and study, which makes it hard to collect the data needed to understand the ice sheet's behavior. Additionally, the harsh weather conditions in Antarctica can make it dangerous for humans to work there, which limits the types of research that can be conducted. Furthermore, Antarctica is a highly specialized environment, which means that researchers need to be experts in a variety of fields, including geology, biology, chemistry, and physics. This makes it difficult to find people with the necessary skills and experience to conduct research in Antarctica. Finally, funding for research in Antarctica is often limited, which can make it challenging to conduct the type of research that is needed to fully understand the ice sheet. Despite these challenges, scientists are making significant progress in unraveling the secrets of Antarctica's ice sheet. With continued effort and investment, we can expect to learn even more about this mysterious and important part of our planet. Now let's talk about something really exciting. There is a new initiative underway to further explore and understand Antarctica's ice-covered regions. This initiative, which involves researchers from around the world, aims to use cutting-edge technology and interdisciplinary approaches to unlock the secrets of the continent's ice sheet and its impact on the global climate. One of the main goals of this initiative is to improve our understanding of the processes that control the flow of ice from the continent's interior to the coast. This will involve using advanced radar and laser scanning techniques to map the thickness and topography of the ice sheet and studying the dynamics of glaciers and ice shelves. Another important aspect of this initiative is the study of subglacial ecosystems. As we mentioned earlier, recent discoveries have revealed the existence of thriving ecosystems beneath the ice shelf in Antarctica. Researchers will use new drilling technologies to explore these ecosystems in greater detail and study the organisms that live there. This could provide valuable insights into the origins and evolution of life on Earth, and the potential for life on other planets. Additionally, scientists will use computer modeling to better understand the complex interactions between the ice sheet, the ocean, and the atmosphere. This will help them make more accurate predictions about how the ice sheet might respond to changes in temperature and precipitation, and the potential impacts of climate change. The initiative also includes plans to develop new technologies for exploring Antarctica's ice-covered regions. This includes developing new instruments for measuring the properties of ice and snow, as well as new drilling and coring technologies for accessing subglacial environments. The initiative is expected to run for several years, and the findings are likely to have a significant impact on our understanding of Antarctica and the global climate system. By investing in this initiative, we can help scientists unlock the secrets of one of the most mysterious places on Earth and protect the fragile environment of Antarctica for future generations. What are your thoughts on the mysteries of Antarctica's ice-covered regions? What do you think we will discover next? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time.